Lily Peters case. Killer cousin Carson Peters-Berger may avoid trial. A Wisconsin teenager accused of the horrific murder of his 10-year-old cousin, Lily Peters, in 2022, may now avoid a November trial. Carson Peters-Berger, now 18, was expected to face trial this fall on multiple serious charges, including first-degree intentional homicide and sexual assault. However, a resolution hearing has been scheduled for August 26 in Chippewa County. The district attorney there stated that this hearing means the case will not proceed to a full trial and will instead conclude following the August 26 session. This marks a significant development in a case that has gripped the community for over 2 years. Yet, Peters-Berger's defense attorney offered a slightly different perspective, telling a local newspaper that the proceeding will address issues in the case that will determine whether there will be a trial. The exact nature of this resolution is not yet public. Lily's tragic story began on the evening of April 24, 2022. Her father reported her missing when she didn't come home from her aunt's house. He later found her bicycle in a wooded area in Chippewa Falls. After an initial search, authorities were notified the following morning that Lily's body had been discovered near where her bike was found. Investigators determined her injuries were consistent with blunt force trauma. During questioning, Peters-Berger, who was just 14 at the time, later told investigators he asked Lily to go exploring off the trail. He then confessed to punching her in the stomach, knocking her down, and striking her with a stick while they were in the woods. He also admitted to strangling Lily and attempting to sexually assault her after her death. Following the horrific act, Peters-Berger returned home, showered, and put his dirty clothes in the laundry. After learning Lily had been reported missing, he returned to the scene, dragged her body several feet, and covered her with leaves in an attempt to hide her better. Peters-Berger faces charges of first-degree intentional homicide, first-degree sexual assault, and first-degree sexual assault of a child under age 13 resulting in great bodily harm. If convicted of the most serious charge, he faces life in prison. This upcoming resolution hearing could dramatically alter the path to justice for Lily Peters.